to teach you how to make an intro on an iPad or iPhone. So first, download the app called Intro Maker, and once it's loaded, go into it. And wait for it to load, and then wherever it says like popular or game or whatever you want, you can just click on one. So like up here, I'm just gonna click on this one. And then if there's the 1080p is available, you should click on that, but it's not here. So I'm clicking on that one. It'll bring it to here. And then there's 4 things you can put here. So you can do that, and then click on the music in the bottom. There's intro. I'm just gonna click on one of these. I'm just gonna click on that. Sure, you can fade in or fade out, and I'll turn the volume down a little bit. That way it sounds good. Intros are kind of short though, so then title or subtitle, title, and then I'm gonna delete this one because I don't want it. So then there's title. Wait, no, actually. Oh, I'll delete this one. Sure. I'll fix it later. So, like, okay, I'm gonna go to text. You can click on one of these. Except you probably have to download them. So, I'm gonna click this one. There we go. Done. I don't want this one up here. Okay. Now the title. I'm just gonna put, I don't know. Then you can change the font as well. Try and find something that'll make or all fit on here. If it's locked, you can't use it. No. Something smaller. I'll just do this one. So yeah, that's basically it. Then you hit check up here. And you hit save. Then you click the back button, save edit, and go at the bottom, hit my works. And then, yeah, it should be right here. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.